Back at it again, folks, with this magnificent landscape transformation by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, offering you our Brooks Landscape University traditional package that allows you to not only be upfront and see what's going on, but also allows you to be able to see exactly how we become the highest rated landscaping company around. We want to make sure that this is also dedicated to our customers out there that may be looking for a way to enhance their landscape. This is absolutely going to be one of the best ways that you can do so with a nice detailed boulder wall. As you can see, this boulder wall was specifically designed for this landscape in order to give their customer back their landscape. Its design is also dedicated to making sure that we're able to exceed our customers' expectations. So guys, I wanted you to see this. If you've been following our videos, this is exactly how you build a boulder wall, brought to you by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. We've added this landscape appeal, not only putting in these beautiful boulders, leveling them out and making sure that they look nice, but we've also added these plants that truly enhance this landscape to the second degree. And so I wanted you guys to see that. Didn't want to make a long video because I know you've been following us over the last several hours. If you've been watching our YouTube channel, I want you to make sure you subscribe because we want to make sure that we can give you these videos time and time again, over and over and over, just as we've done today. So I just wanted you to see the finished product on this beautiful boulder wall installation, and it definitely says, folks, that this is why we've become the highest rated landscaping company around. This is why you need to join Brooks Landscaping University, because we're going to teach you exactly how to use traditional landscaping principles in order to enhance your landscape opportunity with your customer. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you have a blessed day.